We do want to start with the story parents everywhere will want to hear. First at 5:30, there are a lot of concerns about the possibility of the spread of the virus as kids now look to be heading back to the classroom, and the possibility both students and staff could get COVID-19. We took a look at the infections at area daycares to get an idea of the spread between adults and kids. WCNC Charlotte defender Michelle Bowden is breaking down those numbers.
As kids get ready to head back to school, when we looked at daycare and child care centers in the area, here's what we found. In almost every case, it was both kids and staff that were infected with the virus.
I had a fever that lasted 14 days that would not move.
Rochelle McGee is finally on the mend after a month battling COVID. She's almost certain she got it from the daycare center where she works.
I got it working with children, and it's not that we were not disinfecting and sanitizing.
We checked, and the numbers show outbreaks at child care facilities in our area tend to be a mix. Both kids at the center and staff come down with the virus. Just this week in Mecklenburg County, there's an outbreak at Heaven's Angels child care facility. 3 staff and 11 kids with the virus. But at KinderCare Providence, all 6 cases are kids. In Randolph County at It's a Kid's World, 4 staffers and 2 kids there have the virus.
It is still possible for children to pass this to each other and for children to pass it to adults. I've had personal experience with at least one patient who the child got COVID at daycare, and then their parents got it from the child.
There's concern the same thing could happen once kids head back to the classroom.
Kids typically have a mild illness, but there are also teachers there. And some of those teachers are in higher risk age groups.
As a pediatrician and mom of 3 school-age kids, she hopes the community spread is more under control before kids head back to school.
Very scary part.
Having been through COVID, McGee says she worries about her colleagues at daycares and schools.
As far as school, I really think once they put a bunch of people in an environment like that, it's going to be some major outbreaks. And I really don't think the daycares are out of hot water yet.
The good news, that daycare worker that we talked to there in the story, she says after a month of battling the virus, she's finally feeling better and plans to head back to work at the daycare on Monday. Reporting in Charlotte, Michelle Bowden, WCNC Charlotte.